Okay, so in this video, let's look at how to change font type, font sizes, and then font colors and other things. Okay, so now let me type something. I will type, this is my computer. This is my computer. Okay, okay, so this is my computer. After typing this, you can select. Some people will say you can highlight, so but I will say you can select. So you select like this. Okay, you select it like this, then you go to font, the font type, then you click the small arrow, then you select the font that you want. So let me select Arial Black, and then the font size you can also click, then you choose any size. Let me say 20. Then you go to font color, so you click here and you select any color that you want. So let me select red. Okay, all right. So if you want to undo the last action, you can use the undo sign here, or the symbol. You click undo, you click undo, you click undo, you click undo. So anytime you click the undo action undoes, anytime you click the undo button, it will undo the last action. So I want to redo, so you click redo. You see, redo, redo. Okay, all right. So now this is how to apply font size, font color, and the font size. Okay, or the font type. All right, so now let me press enter again, and then when I press enter, you see that the cursor, it has moved to the new line, but it is still maintaining the font size that I selected, Arial Black, and the size 20. It is still maintaining the font type that I selected, the Arial Black and the size 20 and the color red. Okay, so now I can go to font and then select Times New Roman. Okay, and then I click here and then select 12. Then I go to colors and then select automatic or the black. The automatic is black. Oh, okay. Now I type, this is my computer again. This is my computer. Okay. So now to apply the formatting here too, you highlight or you select, or if you want only the computer, you select only the computer like this. Then you select any color that you want. Let me say this green. Okay, you see it has changed to green. Okay, so by default, if you are typing a document like letter, you can use font type Times New Roman like this, Times New Roman, and the font size you can use 12. Okay, and the font color you have to use black when typing a letter or any official document, unless they give you the standard that they want or they give you their specification. Other than that, you can use Times New Roman, the size 12, and then the color black, the default color black or automatic. Okay, when you are typing official document or something like the letter. Okay, now let me type, this is my computer again. This is my computer. Okay, and by mistake, let me add another R and E to it. Now when I press the space bar, you see it has underlined it. It means there is a mistake, spelling mistake. So you can right click, then you go to the words that are available. So here I wanted to type computer and I made a mistake, so I select computer, and then it has been corrected for me, or the spellings has been corrected for me. Okay, now let me press enter and move to the next line, or let me delete everything on the screen. Okay, now type 1. You press enter, you go to next line, type 2, type 3, okay, type 4, type 5, okay. Now you can select all, then the font type you can select Times New Roman, and the font color you can set it to black, and then the size, let me maintain the 20, okay. Now we are going to look at how to make it bold and italics, okay. So now let me begin by making them one bold, okay. So you can select the one, then you click this B, it means bold. When I click, you see it has become bold, okay. Now let me select 2, and then I select italic, it has become italics, okay. Now let me select 3, and then I go to underline, you see it has underlined it, okay. Now I can change everything on screen to the center of the page, to the right of the page. So now to do that, you select all like this, and then you go to center, you click, you see here, you select center, you see you can select right, align right, you see that is the alignment. If you want center, you click center alignment. If you want left, you click left alignment, okay. All right. And before you can do that, you have to select the text that you want to align first. So after selecting the text, then you choose whether to align to the center or to align to the right of the screen. Okay, so now let's go to how to add bullets and numbering, okay. Now we can select all like this, okay. Okay, let me show you how to remove the bold, the italics, and the underline again. So the one has become bold, so you click it again, sorry, you select it again, then you click the bold again, okay. So the 2, you select the 2, then you click the italic again, then it removes it from italic state. So the 3, you select it again like this, then you click the underline again, then it removes the line, okay. Now let me select all like this, and then to add a bullet, you can go to bullets, this is bullets, you can click the small arrow and select the type that you want. So let me select this round one, you see, you click like this, it has been bulleted, okay. To remove all, you will select all like this, then you click the small arrow again, then you say none, okay. All right, now you can select all again, then you go to numbering, you click the small arrow, then you select, let me select this one, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 has been numbered, okay. All right, so you can select all again, then you go to numbering, you click the small arrow, then you say none, then it removes the numbering, okay. So now let's look at how to and make sure that anytime you add a new content, you save it. So you go to File, then you go to Save, or you can press Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S will save it, or you go to File, then you go to Save. Okay, all right. So now this is the end of this video. In our next video, we will look at how to work with images and the rest.